In today's video, we're exploring the best motorcycle apps for Android that every biker should consider. Whether you're a BMW enthusiast or just love riding, these apps are packed with features to enhance your experience. Let's get started. MotorScan for BMW Motorcycles. MotorScan is a specialized app designed for BMW motorcycle owners, providing a comprehensive tool for diagnostics, maintenance, and customization. This app connects to your motorcycle's onboard computer via an OBD2 adapter, allowing users to read and clear fault codes, monitor live data, and access detailed technical information. MotorScan also assists with service reminders and maintenance schedules, ensuring that users keep their bikes in optimal condition. The app features a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of BMW models, making it an essential tool for dedicated BMW riders who want to maximize their motorcycle's performance and longevity. Rever Motorcycle GPS Rides. Rever is an all-in-one app designed for motorcycle enthusiasts to plan, track, and share their rides. It features GPS navigation tailored specifically for motorcyclists, helping users discover new and scenic routes. With Rever, riders can record their rides, analyze performance data, and connect with a community of fellow motorcyclists to share experiences and tips. The app also allows users to save favorite routes and discover points of interest along the way, enhancing the overall riding experience. Additionally, Rever provides weather updates and ride planning tools, making it an excellent choice for those looking to explore the open road with confidence. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of MotorScan and Rever helps you find the perfect app to elevate your motorcycle adventures. Until next time, ride safe.